Okay guys, what's up?
Okay,
With you cherry pie right now. Okay, my beats would like to explain you about our daddy. Before that, let's let's we tell to you as to our name. My name is Rifal M.
My name is Nabil.
my name is Fraja P.
Okay, sufficient. Check it.
Oh my god. That I saw that articulate the rival that movies don't be watching. We elaborate it in person. That I accompanied was pressing incorrect. Rival, don't watching it.
Kidoki.
Alhamdulillah, people could take in warm. He did was able to give aggregates to his own self. When it come to a gift, he commented how to ask computer be wise and kinder for own self.
Okay, Ribal, I'm gonna talk to you and I'll teach you how to use computer be wise. Okay, look at me. Okay. To start with, prior and open on computer Windows, you have to refresh first. Select in the monitor left, select refresh. Choose refresh.
Oh.
Okay, choose refresh.
Okay.
Additionally, you open the Chrome and then you search what you wanna search in the Chrome. That's up to you. Okay, open it, the Chrome. Choose the account. Search in the YouTube videos. How to become ganteng. Okay, look at this video.
Okay.
Have you been there watching that video? You're able to search and discover how to use in the computer, and then how to discover about how to learn about something like how to learning and listen English. That's up to you. But you have to know. You have to provide in the computer discovery about the benefit and advantages he gave to you back. Okay? You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Nabil, what are you doing?